Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam with UAV Coach, and today we're going to break down two popular technologies in the world of drone mapping, photogrammetry and LiDAR. Whether you're new to drone mapping or just looking to understand which tool is right for your project, this video will help clear things up. And if you enjoy this content, stick around because I'll tell you how you can dive even deeper with our Drone Mapping Essentials course and workshops. So let's fly in. First up, let's talk about photogrammetry. This is a method that uses a series of photographs taken by your drone. These photos are then processed using special software to create a detailed 3D model of the area you're surveying. One of the great things about photogrammetry is that it's easy to get started with. You can use almost any drone with a good camera, and it's a cost-effective way to create accurate models of large areas like construction sites, farms, or even entire neighborhoods. However, keep in mind that the quality of your model can depend on factors like lighting, weather, and the resolution of your drone's camera. Now, let's explore LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging. Unlike photogrammetry, LiDAR uses lasers to measure the distance between the drone and the ground or objects below. These laser pulses help create incredibly detailed 3D models, even in areas with thick vegetation or rugged terrain. LiDAR is fantastic for projects where you need extremely precise data, like mapping forests, creating elevation models, or working in areas with dense tree cover. However, it's important to note that LiDAR equipment is typically more expensive and may require a drone that can carry heavier loads. Plus, there's a bit of a learning curve to mastering LiDAR technology. So which one should you choose? Photogrammetry or LiDAR? The answer really depends on your specific project. If you're mapping large open spaces and want to keep costs down, photogrammetry is probably your best bet. If you're trying to do a lot of topography in densely vegetated areas, LiDAR is what you're going to want to choose. Both technologies have their own strengths and are used in different situations. Sometimes combining both can give you the best results. If you're excited about drone mapping and want to learn more about how to use both photogrammetry and LiDAR, I encourage you to check out our Drone Mapping Essentials course and workshops. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, we've got you covered. Our course is packed with hands-on tutorials led by industry expert Dylan Gorman. He provides real-world case studies and expert advice to help you master the tools you need for successful drone mapping. Plus, our workshops offer a chance to get personalized guidance and practice your skills in a supportive environment. You can check both of them out in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future drone videos. And we'd love to know in the comments section if you've ever used LiDAR or photogrammetry. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.